one of the UK's most popular and easily widespread locomotives, and Hornby's new tooling, heavy diecast performance with modern electronics, is pretty interesting. This is the Stanier 5MT Black 5. G'day everyone and welcome back to Hearns YouTube. Today we're taking a look at a locomotive that's just hit the store. Today this is the Stanier 5MT Black 5. The Black 5 is one of the UK's most popular and easily widespread locomotives, and Hornby's new tooling, heavy diecast performance with modern electronics, is pretty interesting, so let's dive in. The Black 5s, or Hikers as they were known in Scotland, were designed by William Stanier for the LMS, a highly capable mixed traffic locomotive. A total of 842 were built between 1934 and 1951 at Crewe, Derby, Horwich, and by private builders at Vulcan Foundry and Armstrong Whitworth. They worked everything from express passenger trains to heavy freight. This particular engine, number 5047, was built by Vulcan Foundry in 1935 with a domeless boiler. It spent much of its life in Scotland before being withdrawn from St Margaret's Shed in Edinburgh in 1966 and renumbered to BR 45047. Hornby have captured 5047 in striking LMS red-lined black livery, with a matte finish to the smoke box and cab roof. Specific details for this version include the short wheelbase 5MT configuration, an extended chimney, parallel buffer stocks, and flush-face die-cast connecting rods. The loco also features sprung buffers, opening cab doors, and a detailed cab interior with a fully painted backhead. It's nearly 26 centimetres in length and weighs in just over a kilo. It's a solid, heavy model with real presence. Under the body, the Black 5 is built around a die-cast chassis with running plate, giving it strength and weight for smooth running. It uses Hornby's powerful 5-pole skew-wound motor, with pickups on both the loco and the tender wheels for reliable performance. It also gets a quick-release connector between the tender and locomotive, making maintenance easier, along with Hornby's pogo pin pickup arrangement for simple servicing. The valve gear is fully represented with die-cast Walshart's motion, and the drive is supported by brass bearings for durability. The motor is designed to handle down to a second radius curve. Where this new Black 5 really stands out is in its electronic features. Out of the box it includes a working flickering firebox, illuminated headlights and taillights controllable with DCC, and an opening cab roof vent for extra detail. It's DCC ready with a 21-pin socket, and fully compatible with Hornby's HM7000 system, which means you can add Bluetooth or DCC sound with the TSX decoders, plus stay alive with the HM7000 power bank. Fit one of these and you unlock features like decoder-controlled firebox flicker and realistic sound, making it a real centerpiece for your layout. Inside the box you'll also get a full accessory pack, including fireman and driver figures, drain cocks, lamps and brackets, table catcher, vacuum pipes and front steps, plus cosmetic screw-link couplings and bars. There's also a removable coal load in the tender, and you can change the lamp codes for prototypical operation. Hornby's new Black 5 delivers a great balance for heavy-duty running, fine detail, and modern electrics. With its die-cast build, high level of cab detailing, and lighting, and firebox effects, it's one of the most complete ready-to-run models to the class to date. And for those modelling LMS or early BR, or just looking to have a versatile express passenger and freight engine, the Black 5 is an absolute must-have. So if you'd like to add the new Hornby Stanier Black 5 number 5047 to your collection, you can order yours now from Hearns Hobbies, and check the link in the description below.